while that mediation process was on, and just see the commitment of Justice Bobde for the mediation, that he asked me, because he knew that I knew the family of Shah Rukh Khan, that whether Shah Rukh Khan would be interested in participating in this mediation if the mediation were to go forward. Amongst the notable judgments delivered by Justice Bobde, of course, nobody can forget the Ayodhya dispute. Justice Bobde, as part of the Constitution bench in this historic decision, unanimously ordered the construction of a temple in the disputed site. In December 19, he headed a bench that put quietus to the Ayodhya verdict by dismissing 18 review petitions filed against various aspects of the judgment. While on the Ayodhya dispute, I must give out one secret between me and Justice Bobde. While he was in the initial stages of the hearing, he was very firm of the view that the Ayodhya dispute should be settled by mediation. And if you all will recall, it was his suggestion in open court that Mr. Panchu and the other three people were appointed to look into a possible mediation. While that mediation process was on, and just see the commitment of Justice Bobde for the mediation, that he asked me, because he knew that I knew the family of Shah Rukh Khan, that whether Shah Rukh Khan would be interested in participating in this mediation if the mediation were to go forward. I discussed this matter with Shah Rukh Khan, and he was more than willing to be a part of this mediation, because he felt that the best way this country, Hindu Muslims, can live peacefully is that there should be complete complete religious harmony in this country. And he suggested, in fact, that there should be the foundation stone of the Hindu temple laid by some prominent Muslims, and vice versa, the foundation stone of the mosque be laid by some prominent Hindus. Unfortunately, the mediation did not go ahead. But the thought of Justice Bobde of trying to get this matter mediated is definitely salutary, because this is something which would have really shown how we can live peacefully together.